Hello everybody, and it is the last week of September, so as we go into October, I have completed not only the SdKfz 251 truck, but also my entire Project Evil Sunz army, or sub-army technically. So let's start with the truck here. So this is it. This is my SdKfz 251 truck. I did the flame jobs on the front here. I was going to go brighter with like maybe yellows or whites in the front, but I stuck, the brightest one I have is the Fire Dragon Bright Orange. I think that was kind of muted the whole colors a little bit, which is fine. There's less yellow on this than there is on the other vehicles, which is fine. Makes it a little more subdued. Lots of pigment work on the tracks. Lots of rust and pigments in the bed here. Give some variety to the open space. Of course, the engine bay opens up, so the engine's in there. And of course, the biggest feature of this is you just push down on the gunner here. So there's the speaker glued in, some wires, and the PCB board is directly underneath this platform here with the button just all plastic hard except for the actual board itself. I have some more details on how I explain how I did that on the construction video, which is in the Evil Sunz playlist. Lots of rust pigments on the exhaust pipe. But yeah, so this is the SdKfz inspired 251 truck. I said that backwards. SdKfz 251 inspired truck. And it's quite a bit bigger than a normal truck. Let's see here. This one is pretty much stock truck size, and it's just definitely more substantial. This is more substantial enough to, it could actually count with a battle wagon if I really wanted it to, and I don't think anyone would complain too much because it is just that much more substantial than a regular truck. So yeah, that is the half-track truck all done finally. So now we're going to cut and show off the entire 2,034 points of Evil Sunz that I have completed. Okay, and here we have the entire army spread out. Yep, this is my 2000, well technically 2034 as it sits, Evil Sunz sub-army to my entire orc collection. And I can't be more ecstatic with how this thing turned out. So for the list here we have, of course, why did I say Wazdega? Wishful thinking. Zadsnark the Rippa. Got a big mech on bike with custom force field, big choppa taking the Head Wampus Kill Choppa. Those are the HQs for the battalion detachment. Then we have 3 units of truck boys, or 12 boys with Slugga Choppa. 2 knobs have power claws, 1 knob has a big choppa. And over here we have 30 shooter boys with 3 rockets and a knob with a big choppa. 10 tank busters with 2 bomb squigs. 5 ludas. 3 kilocans with rockets. Yes, I know they have Grazookas right now, but I don't have the money to buy D-bits right at the moment to convert them back to rockets, so that's the one thing I have left to do, but that's relatively minor. We have a battle wagon, 4 trucks with big shooters. We have the Wazbomb Blastojet and the Blitza Bomber. That is 2,034 points. Oh, and the mech. That's what puts it over, is the little mech with the kill saw. He's 41, so if I take him out, that'll put me under 2,000 to make it a playable army. So yeah, I know these aren't too detailed, but I do have more detailed videos on all these models in the Evil Sunz, Project Evil Sunz playlist, which of course I will link below, or link in the corner here. And if you want to see some more details on any particular model in this army. But yeah, this has been a summer project that I'm very, very happy with. I mean, this thing just looks awesome, all put together in one color scheme. You know, I always thought mixed orc armies were better, but now that I have one that's all one clan, I have to say this looks pretty good, I must admit. And the red just kind of pops. If I had a white background to these guys, it'd probably pop even more, but this is the board I have, so this is what I'm using. So yeah, any questions, comments, let me know. I'm just absolutely ecstatic with this army. So just done in time, just in time for October. And I really don't have any more orc projects at the moment except for the big track. So I'll probably be moving on to some Dark Angels to get them painted in the next week or so. But for now, yeah, my orcs are mostly complete. I'm very, very happy with these guys. Thanks for watching.